a pretty Valentine's bouquet. Yay!
Yes, it is.
Okay. Oh, more water. Well, I'm ready to get the fuck on. That'd be the one thing.
What?
Can you harvest some tomatoes?
Alright.
Happy birthday, my beautiful sister who used to bully me. Like, it's all good though. I still love you. I love y'all. You and Kayla's mom. All y'all. Trey, my twin. I'm thankful. Well, I ain't gonna say I'm thankful because this not no like Thanksgiving. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. What you is? 26? You getting old. Wait. You not so. Damn. What the fuck? You almost 30, girl. Damn. But happy birthday, though.
Happy birthday!
Aww.
You have the most amazing year. It's just
This is sweet.
Witnessing you literally since we were children up until the woman you are today. The most amazing
Look
wife,
at
the most amazing
Kylan.
mom, and a bomb entrepreneur.
And he's so sweet and nice and love. Bye!
Love you.
I probably will see you when you see this video, hopefully. So, have a great day.
Happy birthday.
And be with the aesthetics.
So much.
Right?
I'm so
The cleanest video so far.
Right?
Of course.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so many blessings, so much laughter, so much positivity, just consistent love. That's rare. Thank you so much. Your niece loves you so much.
Aww.
Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Oh, she loves my hat. We love you so much. I can't wait to see you and spend your special day with you. Can't wait to celebrate life. Cheers. And yeah. You're literally the best. You have the best day.
Hey, best friend. I just wanted to say happy birthday. It's your birthday, girl. It's your birthday, girl. It's your birthday, girl.
Not the titties.
It's your birthday,
And the ass.
Happy birthday, I love you. Happy birthday, I love you.
Attitude.
Oh my god.
Now walk off. Attitude. Now walk off. Attitude.
Oh my god.
Now walk off.
I thought that was Jalen.
Attitude.
Happy birthday, Caleb.
He like
Now
a
walk
dyke.
off.
Happy birthday,
You got Sydney. Aww.
Love you so much. Been loving on you for, sheesh, over a decade now, and I am so blessed to have you as a friend. I miss you so much. I hope that we can get together soon, and I hope this birthday is everything you imagine.
This is
You
so
deserve it all. You
sweet.
deserve the world. Love you so much.
My Bluetooth.
Aww.
Bookie butt.
With our sign.
Gushy gushy.
Yep.
You already know I love you.
The
I
ushy
can't even
gushy.
put in words how much I love you, how much impact you had on my life, and how much I see you impacting other people. Like, you're one of the most beautiful, genuine souls I know. You know, I love the mother that you are. I love the sister, the friend that you are. You really have taught me like what being a friend means, what being a real friend means. Since 16 years old, you know, you've been that to me and so much more. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it short. I got other people's videos to edit, so I'm just happy to be able to celebrate with you, baby, and just continue to spread this love and be in your presence. Bless up, happy birthday, happy Earth Strong. You done know it's your day, it's your year, it's your time. Like you've been saying, every day is special, baby, and you're special. Shit. Love you.
Thank you, Daddy. Aww. I thought you was gonna say the best for last.
Happy birthday
Why are you
to
stupid?
one of the baddest bitches I know. Like, has been bad since you stepped foot in Maryland, since you stepped on Sydney's doorstep. I mean, literally had Largo High School gagged and chokehold.
I did say
You came through with the
Aww.
style.
You'll see.
Just wrong on the energy, you know? And I mean, me and Jess
Period.
loved you down. Okay? I still love you down. Admire you. You're like one of the coolest fucking people ever. Happy fucking birthday.
Aww.
Enjoy your day. I love you.
It's
I'm
so
gonna get back there to
sweet.
see you with the kids, and I just love the pivot. Now you like you always been holistic, but now it's like I just love how you invent yourself and how you reinvent yourself and how you continue to evolve into just becoming even more like badass. Like it just keeps getting better. It's like
Yes.
she's out here. She's next level. But happy birthday! I love you, and I'll be down there.
Thank you guys. Thank you everyone for sending me a message, taking time to do that for me. I really, really, really appreciate it. I'm just gonna try and not cry for the rest of the day. But thank you guys. Are you gonna stop it?
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear my boo.
So cute.